Subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get alert for my new recipes.
Hello friends, welcome back to Yummy Taste by Neha, and today I'm going to show you how to make green chutney. You can serve green chutney with any kind of a snack like pakoras, bhajiyas, samosas, or you can have it with your lunch or dinner. So let's go and check the ingredients. To make green chutney we will need 1 cup of coriander leaves. I have washed them and I have cut their stems. 1 big tomato, 1 green chili, few cloves of garlic as well as ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let me show you the process how to make the green chutney. I'm going to put all the ingredients for chutney in this grinder and we'll grind them all together now. Coriander. I have put the tomatoes here, green chilies, ginger garlic, cumin seed, salt. I will not use any water because there are tomatoes in it and I don't want to make chutney in the thin or in the watery form. I like the chutney with thicker consistency, so I'm not going to put any water here. Let's grind the ingredients. So now our chutney is ready. I'm going to pour it. Now the chutney is ready and it smells really nice. So just see, this is the consistency that I like. It's little thicker, not watery. This is the perfect consistency that I like to have. Coriander chutney is ready and you can serve it with any kind of a snack. Like the recipe, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Also share it with your friends. Thank you. Happy cooking.